to love. Everybody came to right here. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako maglande. Charis. Hala, wala akong mapaglagyan ng microphone. Wait, parang mali yung eksena ko. Wait lang. Saan ko ilalagay ang mic ko? Alam mo, hayaan mo na, dito na lang. Hi everybody, good evening from Varanasi, India. So for today's video, come with me as I'm gonna go like, do a challenge like, what can a 200 rupee buy me? So, ano daw? Wait, mali English ko, okay. Take two. I think it's safe to say like what a 200 rupee can get you in India. Okay, let's make tabi, baka masagasaan tayo. So, yeah, this is like a 200 rupee challenge here in Varanasi, India. So, let's go ahead and do it, everybody. Oh, diba? I literally just got out from my hostel. Oh, there's Pretty. Amazing and social. Yeah, sure. It's free, right? I love it. Okay. Shukriya. Oh, diba? Shukriya. Oh. We got our first. Oh. Okay, I just saved like 15 rupee because of this. Shukriya. Hi. I'm literally just like 1 minute like out from the hostel. Already got my first free chai in India. I also saw them this afternoon, like they're giving like a food or something. So, ayun, let's do it. And I hope na maganda ako because I fixed myself. So, I haven't had lunch and dinner yet because I'm saving it for today because I want to eat something. So, I'm going somewhere and I want to eat beef biryani. Okay, if you're in Varanasi, I think beef here is not so famous, so you really have to find the place. Okay, so we're gonna have to walk like 800 meters, almost a kilometer, to go to my first destination, and let's see how much it costs. But I checked something, so let's see na lang. Okay, let's just, I don't know what is this vlog about. It's just a 200 rupee challenge here in Varanasi, India, so let's do it. I don't have plans to drink chai yet, but it's free and they offered. It's very rude naman if you say no, so let's accept it. Hi.
Hello, friend.
Hello, friend. Hello, friend. They gave me.
No. You might tomorrow tea.
Okay, tomorrow again. Okay, sure. I accept free things, no? Why not? Let's go. Before you ask why I'm wearing like this, it's like 8 degrees here. So this is near to Nepal. This is like the northern part of India, so it's really gonna be cold. Napabili ako, so I decided, my God, the English! This is what's hard about vlogging. Vlogging is easy, but if it's English, it becomes hard. My God. I don't have a lot of international friends, but still I'm doing it for you because you matter to me. Ay, paano daw yung you matter? So, ayan. Uso yung mga nagsisiga sa gilid-gilid like that. Wait, let's show the road a little. Just so you can see what's happening around. I'm done now with the tea. Okay. How can you see it? My God. Wait. 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 Yeah, I have it. Shukriya. The Philippines.
Huh?
The Philippines. Okay, I should go there
We are
straight.
roaming all place.
Sorry?
We are roaming all place. There is one nearest temple.
No, I'm going to eat. Nice meeting you. Oh my God. I just called my mom. Sabi ko, Ma'am, is it a cow? She said yes. Oh. Kaya don't bash me if I don't know. My mom agreed. So, if I call it a cow, bash my mom. Hoy, everybody, if you're here, be careful, ha? Oh, wait lang. I have to check the map. Wait. Okay, I'm in the right location. Let's go, let's do it. Sabi, just go straight. So, let's go straight. It's official, tapos na. It's the end of my wild era. My vacation from Thailand is officially done. So we have to start creating meaningful contents. We have to start making contents. Dagan-dagandahan era is done in Thailand. So let's do it. It's official. It's official. We have to start making yung mga nakaka-lokang content. So, and we are starting here in India. O, diba? Hoy, can I just say something? I've noticed one thing here in Varanasi. By the way, I think this is the most, oh my God, spiritual place or state in India. So, ayun. Just letting you know. If my information is not enough, Google it, everybody. My God, it's on Google. Oo, huwag tayo magpanggap na alam natin. Binasa ko lang din naman sa Google yan. Anong chinichika ko? Ay, can I just say something na I've noticed here, the guys here, they make way for women. Same in Pakistan. Kind of like that, okay. Only in this state, they will try to not, avoid you. Basta they give space when you walk. Not all the time though. But just letting you know, bakit? Diba? Feeling ko, I kind of feel like I look like a vampire. I think I'm white. So, ayan. Let's walk. Hoy, also observe it's actually safe. Surprisingly, they don't give weird looks here. Kasi diba, when you check the internet, like, they will try to touch you and all that. But here, I was in the metro, so like for a few times. No naman, I never experienced it. So far, okay. So, that's very good. See? Because social media is all about Indians are like that, like that, like this. So far, it's good naman in my experience. And I hope it stays that way. Diba? We don't want any problems and trouble. I think I'm really maputi. My God. I'm good. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Wait. Hello. Okay, this is like where the chaos starts. The busy place. Hoy, be respectful when you're here, Because like a lot of people here, are coming from different states of India, doing their, spiritual thing. So you're gonna see like, yung buhay na buhay, like really alive culture. Culture. British. Talaga ba? Culture. Ganon. Okay, we have to keep walking. Okay. I hope this content is gonna be good, my God, aside from the loud horns, which we don't like. But it's part of their culture. Like literal, grabe talaga. You cannot even sleep because of that. It's so annoying. So this is gonna be like a 200 rupee challenge. What I can get with my 200 rupee challenge walking tour and showing you like what it looks like to be in Varanasi, India. I think this is like Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. If you can understand that, then good for you because me no. Let's keep walking. I hope you don't get bored because this is literally I'm just really gonna show you like how the road looks like, how the street of Varanasi, India looks like, how busy it is, how bustling. Di mo kaya yung bustling ko. They thought I'm from Korea or Japan. My God. Nakahanap ako ng gwapo, sama talaga ako, day. Walang tanong-tanong. Ay, join ako, girl. Wait, okay. Wait. I'm naliligaw. Wait lang. Check the map. Let's keep walking, everybody. My God. The place is so busy. Because I think they're all coming here. Okay, I think I heard like there's a festival ongoing. I haven't done my proper research yet, but I just heard that. I'm so sorry. I'm so busy with all the editings, the travels, and I was sick, so I was really taking things really, really slow. Because, you know, I don't want to abuse my body because I abused it too much when I was in Thailand. So, I am abused. Ay, paano? Paano daw yung I am abused? So, I'm gonna take you to a place where the Google map is telling me to go. So, let's go there. It's the only place that sells biryani, beef biryani here. So, we're gonna go there. And I have my voice back na. But not too much, just little. But that's okay. At least I have a little voice. I was resting my voice for 7 days. Yes. Okay. Oh, let's keep walking, my gosh. Oh, we're gonna make tawid here na. Okay, please don't make sagasa. My God, I'm so scared for my life. I'm scared of the dogs, street dogs. I'm scared of the, ano ba? Ayun yung mga tumatahol. And the cows. My God. I'm so scared a lot. Matatakotin naman pala. Huwag na lang kaya ituloy ito. Charis. Charis lang. Okay. So let's go. Matatakotin naman pala. Okay, now we're gonna start the 200 rupee challenge siya. Okay, let's do it. I'm so excited for the biryani. My God, I'm so hungry. Again, I haven't done my lunch and dinner yet. It's what time? 8. Kita ba? O basta yan, 8. 8 in the evening. So, let's keep walking. This is the place I think I almost arrived. Almost. Ay! Sasagasaan mo pa ako. Hello? Hi! Oh, let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Hi! Ano daw? Ano chika mo? Say hi. Hello.
Wow!
Wow. Wait. Bida ka sa vlog ko, kuya. I don't see a lot of girls here, but it's okay. I want me. Okay, there's girls na. Okay, I'm okay na. Diba? That's how I make myself feel here, okay. Hello. Okay, I found the place. Wait. This is what I saw in Google Maps. They are the only ones who sell beef biryani here. Okay, so let's buy. Let's eat here. Have beef? See, they have beef. And there, the price, 500 grams, 120. Okay, I wanna show. I eat there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, ayan everybody. So this is, ayan na yan. Laban na natin. Ilaban na natin ng beef biryani. Oh God, ala. Yes, I want this. Okay. Yeah. Parang gusto ko na ng isang buo. Magkano ba yung isang buo? 240. Okay, later na lang. I think that's parcel. Hello. Chicken. Oh, chicken. They also have chicken, everybody, yeah. But I like the beef. Uy, grabe, it's so malamig. As in. Pero here, a bit better, so I can open my jacket. A little. Just a little lang. Yes. Yes. Shukriya. And spoon? Hoy, everybody, beef biryani. Tara, kumain tayo. Oh, this is 120. We still have 80 rupee left. Oh. Ay! Hala! May daga. Daga ba yun? Hala. There's daga. My God. Kuya, I'm excited. There's no white? The white one? The yogurt. I also like that. Yeah. This one. Shukriya. Everybody. Beef biryani. Let's eat. My God, I'm so gutom. I haven't done anything yet. I haven't eaten anything yet. So, we eat na. Grabe, ang sarap na ito. Oh, everybody, we are done eating. So, our next stop. Hello. So, we're gonna buy the bread now. Bread. Yeah.
Do.
Yeah, Okay. Oh. So we still have 80 ha. And then this is 7. Wait, shukriya. Oh, ayan. That's 7 rupee each. And look at the bread, my God, it's breadening. Okay, so let's move. I finished my 120 plus 14. Oh, do the math, 134. Baba, shukriya. Okay, so let's keep walking. Hi. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Ayoko niyan. They also have bread there. And also biryani here. Okay, but they only sell chicken. Hala, I can see chai. No, let's drink chai na. Egg chai. Ay, look at the chai, everybody. It's chaiing. My God. Ito yung mga chai na gusto ko talaga eh. This is the chai that I really like, the authentic one. Ano ba ginagawa niya? Hindi siya makaalis. Okay, so let's do it here. How much?
10 rupees.
Shukriya. Here. It's 10 rupee daw. 144. I still have 56 left. My God.
देख लो ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी देखो कैमरा देखो
Hello.
देखो कितना छोटा सा
Hi everybody, chai. So let's do it. It's 10. Thank you, shukriya. Oh, okay.
Which country?
I'm from the Philippines. The Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Yeah, why?
Philippines. Completely 98% Muslim.
I'm sorry?
Muslim.
Nah.
Muslim and other caste. Something.
Are you Muslim? Okay. The chai is chaiing. I like this. Look.
ना रिकॉर्डिंग करने अपने देश में दिखाएंगे फिलीपींस में रहते हैं जैसे हम लोग इंडिया में रहते हैं
Okay, let's just finish the chai before we go somewhere else. We have, how much ba? 44, 56 left. We have 56 rupees left. Oh my God. I can still do Uber actually. But we're just gonna walk because I ate a lot. Wanna say hi? Hi. Oh, hi ka. Ayun, umandal na rin siya sa wakas. Finally, it started to move. The chai here tastes like peanut butter. I don't understand why. Oh, let's start walking na. You know, I'm not scared of pagnanakaw. Or pickpocketers. I'm scared of dogs and the cows. Okay, so I have how much again? Okay, 120 plus 14 for the two breads. Hello. And then plus 10 again. Wait nga, I'll do the calculation later. Nakakapagod. Mag-isip. Yeah, I will come. Anong pagtitipon yan? Niloko nyo ako. Pinagtitripan nyo ako. Okay. Yeah, egg. Egg chicken. Yes. Hi, wait lang. I'll show you the chicken. It looks masarap. How much? How much?
Hello, madam. Indian casino.
Indian casino. Gambling, no? Nag-wedding kayo dyan, ha? How much?
Hindi.
30 rupee. How much? 30 rupee. Oh, okay. Okay. Tama yung balita. It's 30 rupee. Okay. So, we're gonna eat here.
हाँ तो हिंदी बोलिए ना
Saan na ako? Oh, everybody, oh, here it is.
हिंदी में बोलिए ना
With the chai. I'm gonna smell like smoke. I don't like. Lumayo sa usok. Bakit? Ayoko magamoy usok bago tong jacket ko. I have bread. I bought a bread. Oh, see? I can still eat, no? O pa ba? I bought two breads. The one is for tonight and the one is for tomorrow. Oh, see?
कहाँ रहती हैं आप?
What?
कहाँ रहते हैं?
What? I don't understand. English, English. Tapos itinakbo yung camera, no? Hala, lagot, charis. They don't look like that naman. Oh, here is the bread. I can only eat half, no?
मैं इटे पे ढकेलो तो
We'll taste the chicken, wait.
टेस्टी है ना?
With the onion, it's my favorite. And the lime.
हिंदी नहीं आती? हिंदी स्पीकिंग
Nah, nah.
इंग्लिश
Yes. Mm. Wait, this is how it looks like.
त्योहार किस कंट्री से? किस
हम-
कंट्री से?
Philippines.
यहाँ घूमने आई हैं?
Hmm?
घूमने हाउस घूमने रूम पे किस जगह रह रही हैं?
I don't understand. Niloloko mo ako. Ano kaya yung ganap doon? Hoy, ang busog na. I miss Georgia. I don't know why. Charis. Maybe someone is waiting. Charot! Promise, if I come back to Georgia, I'll show you who's waiting for me. Kikiligin kayong lahat. I think that's gonna be it. Ang busog na. I can only have one chai, that's it.
लाइव चल रहा है
No? Vlog. Instagram, YouTube. You have Instagram, YouTube? Hi, for everybody who don't know, one of my favorite is onion. Favorites is onion. May obsession ako sa onion and fried garlic. But the onion I can eat even if it's raw. This put lime, I'm happy na. This is masarap. I like it, look. It's grilled chicken. It's not spicy. I really like the bread. I want to buy more for tomorrow to make it like pandesal. Just make it sausaw to the kape.
यही दे दो के रखते हैं लेके जाओ
Hey, I'm not throwing summer hat. There's trash bin here. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No worries. Ayaw niya ako mausukan. Okay lang niya. Laking malabon to. Di ba, very Pinoy? Ipalaman mo, chicken sandwich. Bakit?
लिमिट या खत्म भाई या सर्वे डाउन
Hello. Dahil mo na exposure sa vlog ko.
डिस्टर्बिंग
Parang gwapo ng bagets, oh. Hala.
साइड डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं
Check mo yung nakaitim sa likod, maay. Alo. Laro, oh.
हमें जा हेलो बात मत कर क्या करे फालतू
I'm really full. I'm only doing this for the vlog. Yeah. Because I don't want to see people, I don't want people to see me making aksaya of the food. I don't like that. So I'm really trying to finish it.
जवाब ना काम कर बात क्या करेगी मैं साइड से मुझे एक आध मिनट क्या समझ रखे बोलो तो समझ नहीं रही है अनवर बात कर रहे थे
Uy, ang gwapo nung nasa likod ko. Di niya kayang kuhain yung number ko. Hello. I'm promoting my own channel. Bakit? Why not? Here. Shukriya. Oh, wow, the tissue. The tissue is tissuing. Why not? I'm beautiful now. Uy, magkano na yung nagastos ko? Mamaya ko na ako kumpitin yan. Basta, I know I'm less than 200 pa. 30 rupee. 20, 30. Hoy, the 20 here, it looks different. Sometimes it's red. So, sometimes it's yellow-green. Here, shukriya. Uy, ang gwapo nung nakaitim. Mahihain kasi sila eh. Oh, wait, I'm trying to compute how much I spent. So, the beef biryani is 120. The bread is 14. The chai is 10. And this is 30. 174 minus 200. Ay! Oh. I still have 26 rupee left. Amazing. Hala, anong gagawin ko sa 26? Uber. Mag-Uber kaya ako? Oh, I still have 26 rupee left. Let's go. Let's see where that 26 can still buy. I can do Uber, but we're not doing that. We do something else with that 26. Shukriya! I hope I don't smell smoke. I don't like. Sabi sa akin nung nung nag-approach sa akin, watch this Indian casino, nakakaloka. Hi! Hello! Okay. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do next. Basta ang alam ko, full bangs na ako. Bumagsak na yung bangs ko. Hindi to rin makita yung kilay ko. Oh, let's keep walking. Let's go. Once again, everybody, this is the busy streets of India. My God, there's a lot of things happening. Seryoso. I don't know where to go, honestly. But let's keep walking. It's bag. Ala, ang gwapo. Hala. Hala, nakita niyo ba yun? Naglalaro na naman tayo ng ano. Okay, let's keep walking. Let's see if where this 26 rupee will take me. What else I have left? Let's see if what the English is not Englishening, Shuta. Wait. I really love India, promise. Just minus the pollution. I love the culture. I love the vibrant streets, the bustling street. And ano pa ba? O bakit? Yun na yun. My English is finished. See you tomorrow. Charis lang. Let's keep walking. My God, ang dami nangyayari. Gulong-gulo na ako. I don't even know how to make the wed. Ay, naubos na yung paninda. Good job. Hi! Bahala na kayong mga hunting ng mga gwapo. Basta ako, I can see them. Not all of them, but I can see some. Because I'm focused on the road. Wait, I don't know how to make the wed. I'm just gonna wait for people to make the wed also. Ay, okay. Dahil mo sinasabi, kuya, bumubulong ka pa. Kala mo, hindi ko naman naiintindihan, pero nagets ko yung irap mo, shoota ka. Okay, let's make the wed. Sumama na nga lang tayo sa kanila. Wait, ala! Puta, bigla silang umanda, shit. Wait lang. Wait lang, ala! Wait lang! Mamamatay ako dito, puta. Sorry. Napamura ako bigla. Sorry naman, sorry po. Oh, let's keep walking. I'm telling you, everybody, India is to the next level. Really. Itinaas nito yung backpacker skill ko. I am like, every time I go out, I'm on like my full traveler mode. I have to stay alert all the time. Because otherwise, I'm gonna die. They're gonna make sagasa. We don't like that. We don't want that. It's okay. Oh, ayun. I'm just showing you a bit more bago tayo tuluyang umuwi. Before we go home, let's see more of the... I'm just gonna show you more of the place. I like the kids here. They always smile. I like them. They look like so mabait. They look so mabait. Not just like, they look so mabait.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Ay, hindi nyo hindi na ako maloloko. Marunong na ako mag-commute dito. I know na how to make commute. Charis lang. Hindi ako marunong. I just always ask the police officers to help me. Ay, puta, tinapon. Ay, ano ba? Diba? Bigla-bigla na lang shit. Out of sod.
Sir, hello, Chinese.
Ay, hindi ako Chinese. Out of nowhere. Suddenly, someone's just gonna be like in front of you. So you really have to stay alert all the time. Like, 24/7, once you go out, okay, you have to stay alert na. Okay, we have to make the wed. Here, it's easy to make the wed. So let's make the wed here. Okay, my God! Wait lang. Yung, ano ba, natatakot ako tumawid. I'm so scared to make the wed. Okay, let's make na. Okay. Hey, wait lang. I'm so stressed with the traffic. Shoota. Na-stress na ako. Hello. Tumitingin yung mga tao. Sino kayang kausap niya? Bakit? Yung camera ko. Let's walk again, my God. I hope I can go back alive. If not, everybody, edi no. Wait, oh, it looks like Philippines. O, diba? They have basket as well. I like that, really. If I become rich, and if I were to buy my own house or build my own house, I want it like that, really. The homey vibes, the bahay kubo vibes. I don't need a big house, just the small one. But happy, stress-free house, positive surroundings, you know, like that. You know, nowadays, I think coming from a kid who's from a broken family, I think kami yung mga the kids who grew up from broken family, we are the ones who's not aiming to have a big house. All we wanted is just peaceful home, peaceful house, ganun lang. That's only the perspective of someone, again, who came from a broken family. And I forgot I still have 26 rupee left. Hello? So, ayun. I don't know what I will do with that. You know what? Let's just keep it. Because I don't want... water. Wala, yung water niya hindi mukhang original. Sabi sa akin ni Patan. Patan told me before. Hello? Patan told me before, if I buy daw something, Kaya ano nangyayari mga bata? Pinagtripan ako ng mga bagets. Pinagahatak yung masuot ko. Pasalamat kayo, bata kayo. Sana ba ako? Wait lang. Okay, check the map again. Wait lang, naliligaw ako. No, I look like from Thailand. I wish I am from Thailand, but no. I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
Philippines. Nice country.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Philippines daw is a nice country. Shukriya. I'm sorry?
My small brother, my Jannat. My
Old brother?
Jayas, Jannat.
He looks young. Muslim. Salam alaikum, yeah?
Walaikum assalam, rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Allah. Ano siya? Bye-bye.
Muslim.
Na.
What's your name?
Kay Toretto.
Katrato.
Kay Toretto.
Katrato, oh, nice name.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate.
So beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, let's keep walking. Ay, this is I'm inside na. Bakit niya ako pinababalik dito? Hayaan po lang. Ay. Magsasagasaan pa sila. Everyday ganyan yung scene dito sa India. Mali ako ng pinasukan. Pinababalik lang ako. Bad trip. Very wrong. Sige na nga, sundin na nga lang natin yung road. There's kambing, oh. Oh, let's keep walking, everybody. Hi. Okay. Hi everybody, this is where I'm gonna finish my vlog na. Nilaro ako ng mga bagets dahil pinaghahatak yung ano ko, jacket ko, yung bag ko. Naku. Anyways, I hope na na-enjoy nyo itong vlog na to. I hope that you really enjoyed watching this vlog. And I hope that I was able to show you, the beauty of Varanasi, India, the northern part of India. And there's more vlog to come. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification on and recommend my channel to all your friends, relatives, sa mga ex nyo, sa mga kaaway nyo. O, basta ganon. O. Yes. I am starting to promote my channel through my vlog na. So, ayun. Again, this is Kay Torero, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with, I hope that you have a great day. If not, tomorrow is another day. Ganun lang. Goodbye from India.